Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news. Equity markets are testing the limits of reality today. Remarks from a pair of regional Federal Reserve officials help reassure investors concerned that the central bank is moving to wind down its bond purchases, pushing stocks towards another record level. Markets are awaiting some testimony for Congress from Fed Chairman Bernanke tomorrow, but are taking these signals from more junior Fed officials as an indication of what he will say. The OECD said overnight its members' economies were showing slight growth, up 0.4% in the first quarter of 2013, led by Japan and the US, and with the EU lagging. Almost all major countries improved from the previous quarter, even if some of them were still declining. We may think SOE Solid Energy has problems, but Australia's thermal coal industry is in desperate shape as sales and prices plunge for its products. Now there are reports that these Aussie coal operators are auctioning off their port assets to help pay the bills, a sharp turnaround from 18 months ago when they were struggling to find berthing capacity and were investing in a substantial way. And staying across the ditch, Australians will have to either pay more tax or expect poorer government services, the head of their Treasury has warned. Demand for government services is rising and tax collections are weak. Winning their upcoming federal election may be a dubious prize because some difficult choices lie ahead for the lucky country. In fact, yesterday's New Zealand migration data clearly showed rising arrivals from permanent migrants from Australia, or departures of Kiwis to Australia was slowing fast. The New Zealand dollar starts today at 81.6 US cents, 83.2 Aussie cents, and our TWI now stands at 76.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.